your convenience is 24 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon. And the date today is April 5 on a Sunday.
So here we have our dining table, and we have our own bubbler. We have a washing machine and a dryer. We have a fridge and a real kitchen. And here's the living room with someone hiding right there. And the TV. Okay. Here's just like cabinets. Here is the best bedroom ever that has the huge bed. It has a walk-in wardrobe, a safe, a bathtub, a shower, a toilet, and 2 sinks, which is the best. Here is mine and my brother's own bathroom, but it's not that much stuff. Here we share a room, 2 beds, 1 TV, and that's the wardrobe. So yeah, and that's it. Bye! No. Is it supposed to?
Would you like some cereal? Oh yeah, there is.
Can I get the pink sprinkle one? This coffee, peanut butter. She said it's peanut butter.
Ganyan lang siya kalaki, ma'am. Wait. Tingnan natin kung mag... Wow! Medyo maliit lang yan kasi baka mag-fit. Kaya ganito niya, mama. Dulo na yan, oh. Baka hindi na mabasa naman yung mukha. Hindi na siya mabasa.
This really best serve a bit of crispiness. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit.
Originated from Cebu. Like a teaspoon, so you can stir it.
Do you like it? Yeah?
It tastes better with sugar. It's okay. It's nice. Medyo sour na.
Yes.
Pero okay siya. It's nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Binilad ko siya hanggang mag-dry po sa araw.
Tapos
Kaya po may...
nag-grind.
Opo.
Oh, okay.
Ni-roast po, tapos grinine po, tapos pre-norm na cube para po maging tablayan na minimal blend.
Oh, wow. It's very good. He likes it. gusto niya.
Come on to the shark again. We have a different bus. If you can.
It's coming to us all.
You guys slept in this morning. Mommy and Daddy woke up before you guys did. You guys slept in? We have no food in the fridge.